In terms of the police investigation, there's a lot of skepticism. And just very quickly, for example, the person who is the lead investigator in the Mason case, Pastor Llewellyn Lucas, is a junior officer, a corporal. He just made corporal.
I don't know who is the lead investigator.
His name is Holly Vasquez. He was arrested in 2010 for conspiracy to commit robbery. He is the person in charge of the investigation. That is what...
No, sorry. I would want to be sure that you know whereof you speak.
Yes,
I'm not...
Yes, that is correct.
Well, I see the CEO here. I'm not saying it isn't. I want to be certain, though. I'm not going to get like somebody who told you people are always 90% wrong. It's not an opinion I share. But I would want to be positive, or I would want to ascertain from the Ministry of National Security personnel whether that is in fact the case. Perhaps you can continue, Mike, and in the meantime, if some sort of a check can be made, because a lot will depend on the accuracy.
One thing which immediately raised eyebrows, a very junior officer, and again, the allegations in his past. Two, there is a situation with Melissa Ferguson, who was a companion or common law or wife of William Mason. There was a video, a surveillance video, which was released on the Saturday after Mr. Mason was arrested. He was arrested the Friday. The police had it from the Saturday. We understand now that police are actively seeking Ms. Ferguson because she is seen in that video in a very active role. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and they started seeking her on Thursday.
Mike, again, I'm very sorry, but you're putting me in a position where I am unable to answer you. I do not know that what you're saying is factually correct. I know that I was told of a video by Deputy Commissioner Blackett, and it was not from the Saturday that you are talking about. So, again, in the absence of Blackett or somebody in the hierarchy who can, in fact, validate what you're saying, I can't answer you. That's not the impression I have from the briefing that I got from Blackett in the immediate aftermath, in the days immediately following the discovery of poor Pastor Llewellyn's head with Mr. Mason. So I'm afraid you really will have to address those questions directly to Mr. Blackett, who I believe is the acting commissioner. I will address the questions to him, but I'm telling you, insofar as what I have in terms of the briefing he gave to me, it does not coincide, it does not square with what you're saying.